This video highlights 3 intense courtroom moments where defendants are forced to face the consequences of their actions after showing little respect for the legal process. Each case brings a different kind of drama, but they all have one thing in common: the judge is clearly tired of excuses and unwilling to tolerate irresponsible behavior. The first case involves a woman who arrives at court wearing what appears to be swimwear, immediately creating tension in the courtroom. The judge questions not only her outfit, but also her repeated failures to follow court-ordered requirements. With over $11,000 in unpaid restitution and mistreatment obligations, the judge makes it clear that the situation is far more serious than the defendant seems to understand. What starts as an awkward appearance quickly turns into a stern lecture about accountability and respect for the court. The second hearing focuses on an 18-year-old facing felony theft charges after allegedly stealing thousands of dollars worth of products from a cosmetics store. Even though she arrived early to court, the judge is disappointed to learn she tested positive for marijuana and still has theft-related issues in multiple counties. The courtroom discussion becomes a wake-up call as the judge reminds her that adult court comes with real consequences that could impact the rest of her future. The final case centers around a woman charged with felony forgery who disappeared for over a year before finally returning to court. She explains her health struggles, financial problems, and desire to be with her child, hoping the judge will grant her bond request. However, because of her long absence and the seriousness of the case, the judge refuses to release her and orders her to remain in custody until sentencing. These courtroom moments show how quickly excuses can fall apart when faced with hard questions from a judge determined to